Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these are some of the important levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading, and I have posted in the Telegram channel as well. So the link is available in the description. Please try to join the Telegram channel. It's free only. So you can see that coming to my trade, market opens here and shows a strong bullishness, and the overall trend is also bullish. And then it came very close to order block, almost touched the order block and reversed from there. So because this candle was a very big candle, so I was waiting for a little bit of confirmation, little bit of retracement. And then during this pullback, I have entered somewhere here into the trade, and this was my first trade I have entered here, and I was in a very good profit, close to 20,000 here. But then after that I had to accept the SL in the first trade somewhere here. Yeah, the premium was not at all in sync with the spot chart. When the spot chart is going in your direction, the premium was moving very slow, but then when it goes against your position, the premium decay was very high. This has been a continuous observation for the past few days after the weekly expiries are gone in bank nifty. Okay, so after that I have taken my second trade somewhere here, and then during this green candle, and then after that I had to accept the SL. It was a quick entry and exit. You can see that after bank nifty reaches to this level, after this big bearish candle, you can see that there is a pause candle, and then there is a pause candle again, and then there is a confirmation bullish candle indicating that the market is going to go towards the upside from here. Okay, so based on this confirmation, I have entered into my trade somewhere here and then exited somewhere on top of this move. Okay, this was my third trade. I have entered somewhere here into this trade and exited somewhere here once this level is reached, because you can see that there is a sell side imbalance or the fair value gap, and also there is a bearish order block as well. So based on which I have exited my third trade here. So with that, I made a profit close to 12,000 in Dhan. You can see that the first two trades resulted into 30,000 plus of loss, and then the last trade resulted into 44,000 of profit, and more than 120 points of premium collected in the last trade, guys. So that's how we need to plan for the risk reward. Okay, so a small profit of 1500, close to 1500 in Zerodha as well. So it's close to 13,500 of profit for today, and then I would like to end the day here. So with that, let's dive into our regular live trading session and see how I managed the trades, what was the psychology, and try to learn something from there. See you there. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. The market has opened and made a very strong bullish candle, the first 5 minutes candle, right? And came very close to the order block, but it didn't really tap into the order block. That's a little negative sign. But then looking at the current price action, I'm going long here. I bought 300 quantity of 53,400 call here. Okay, and the target would be the recent swing high coming closer to 53,800 around. Okay, so let's see how this trade goes on. Thank you. Getting more than 60 points of premium here, guys, and I can see a roadblock here on the premium chart, but I'll try to wait in this trade. We'll see how this trade goes on from here, because it's nowhere closer to my target on the chart. So let's see. Or otherwise, I have marked a sell side fair value gap in the on the spot chart. So let's say if it taps into that fair value gap, I'll try to exit there. Right now, there is a little bit of retracement. You know, there is one weird thing that I have been observing for the past few days after the weekly expiries are gone in Bank Nifty. The premium, whenever the trade is going in my direction, the premium is not moving that faster, but then with a little bit of retracement, it is going back to almost all cost to cost, something like that. Okay, so you can see that it was in a very good profit, close to more than 60 points of premium, but all the 60 points are gone with a little bit of one red candle. So I have drawn the buy side fair value gap on the chart. If it is going to hold, I'll stay in the trade, or otherwise I'll plan for an exit. We'll see. Little bit of positiveness that I can see right now is that this current green candle is being formed from the golden fib zone, which I have drawn from the low of today. Okay, we'll see if this is going to be sustained, then we'll stay in the trade, or otherwise we'll see how this trade goes on. Thank you. That was a sharp, downside candle, guys. So by the time I have exited the trade manually, so I had to lose some good amount of points in this trade, and just about 30,000 of loss I have booked in this trade, and we'll see if I take any trade. I'll let you know. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back again, and you can see the current green candle is a confirmation candle after the couple of past candles, right? And after the initial upside momentum, price has taken a good pullback and then giving us a quite good confirmations in terms of price action as well, where the price has formed, two pause candles. After that, there is a good green candle confirmation. Okay, with which I have bought 300 quantity of 53,300 call this time, the in the money call that I have bought. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. You can see that again I'm getting close to 18,000 of profit in this trade as well, guys. But then I'm not going to exit here because I'm not here to recover the losses that I have made earlier. But then I'll go for a target towards the sell side imbalance or the fair value gap that I have marked on the spot chart. Okay. So that's where I'll be planning for an exit. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Getting more than 20,000 right here, guys. And also I can see a little bit of roadblock on the premium chart right here. And if this is crossed, we can aim for a very good premium collection or a very good target, right? And I can see a very good price action on the spot chart. So based on which I'll try to stay in the trade. Let's see how this trade goes on. Right now, it's a very good price action both in the spot chart as well as the premium is, trying to break above the level that I have marked on the premium chart, and on the spot chart as well. It is trying to break above the level that I have marked, and I'll try to exit somewhere around the swing high, the previous swing high, or the day's high. So we'll see how this trade goes on. Thank you. After a very good profit, it is again showing a little bit of pullback, guys. But then on the spot chart, the red color zone that I have marked should hold. Otherwise, if it is going to be breached, I will try to exit this trade and look for any better entries or done for the day. We'll let you know how this trade goes on. We'll see. Price is trying to stay above the zone that I have marked on the spot chart, guys, the small red color zone. So, which gives me a confirmation to stay in the trade. Okay, we'll see how this trade goes on. So, we got a very nice momentum both in the spot chart as well as in the premium, guys. And we are pretty much closer to the day's high as well as pretty much closer to the sell side fair value gap that I have marked on the spot chart as well. So this is a right place to plan for an exit. We'll try to exit the trade here, guys. All 360 quantity manually. I'm trying to exit the trade here. So getting close to 44,000 already in this trade. So just exited all the quantity, guys. So captured more than 120 points of premium in this trade and close to 44,000 of profit in this trade. So with that, I have made a profit close to 13,500, guys, in both the accounts. That's how the risk reward should be planned. So while losing, lose less points, and then while collect more points, right? So I would like to end the session here, and then hope you have learned something from today's session. We'll see you in the next one. Please try to subscribe, like, and share the right knowledge across. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.